Hello everyone, welcome back to Creo Parametric tutorial. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to draw the given 2D sketch in Creo Parametric software. Now open Creo Parametric and also open Sketcher file. You know that how to open new sketch, just click on this new and choose sketch, then give the sketch name, then click on OK. This is a way to open a sketch file in Creo Parametric. Now the sketch tools are enabled. Just carefully observe the given 2D sketch. You can draw that rough sketch by using this line chain tool. With the help of mouse left button, choose this line chain tool. In this workspace, just you need to draw the rough sketch. Just draw the vertical line, next slant line, next horizontal line, next vertical line, next slant line, next vertical line, next horizontal line, next draw the vertical line up to the this construction line. Now close this 2D sketch. Now you can exit from this tool. Just click mouse middle button. When you click on mouse middle button, it's showing the weak dimensions. Just carefully observe the given 2D sketch. Just you can see the dimension. You can apply those dimension to this sketch by using dimension tool. With the help of mouse left button, you can select this dimension. You can give the dimension. Here the total length is 120. First you need to give the 120 length. So select this vertical edge and this vertical edge and click here. Click mouse middle button here. It's showing the length. In the place of this length, you can edit the value 120. Then click enter button. Next, you can give this length. This length is 30 mm. So select this edge and click mouse middle button here. The value is 30. Enter. Next, you can give this dimension. So select this corner and and click mouse middle button here. That value is 60. Enter. After this, you can give this dimension, that is 10 mm. So select this corner and you can click here. That is 10 mm. Enter. After this, you can edit this dimension. That is 45. Just double click on this dimension. You can type exact value, that is 45, then click enter button. After this, you can give this dimension. Horizontal length is 95. Just double click on this dimension. This length is 95. Enter. Okay. After this, you can give this dimension, that is vertical 25. Already a weak dimension is there. Just double click on this dimension. This is 25. Enter. After this, you can edit this dimension. Vertical length is 45. Just double click on here. This is 45. Enter. Then move to this dimension. This length is 50. 50. Enter. Next, give this vertical dimension. This default one is 25. You can see it. Just close this window. Okay, this is the way to draw any type of 2D sketch in Creo Parametric very easily. I hope you enjoyed a lot in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.